Hello, I'm Prashant, and today we'll be understanding how to build an investment policy statement and for how it is different for different client profiles. So, an investment policy statement is a formal document that outlines a client's financial goals, their risk tolerance level, their asset allocation strategy, and any constraint or preferences that has to be put in place. So, it is used by financial advisors, portfolio managers, and even HNIs and family offices. And IPS is critical for a disciplined and customized investing. So every portfolio need an IPS as it ensures that the decisions are goal based and they assign client needs with portfolio strategy. Now they act as a contract between the advisor and the investor. They also help during the market volatility to stay on course to the financial goal. The core elements of the IPS are: firstly, we need to understand the client objective clearly. We need to understand what is their return goal, what is the time horizon that they need, and what is the amount of liquidity that they need. Next, we need to understand their risk tolerance. This can be done through questionnaires or behavior test of the client, where we try to understand if he's a conservative or he's an aggressive investor. Then we need to build on the asset allocation strategy based on the different inputs that we have received from the clients. The next is we put the constraint in place and the procedures in place. Also, we put the preferences in place when we are building the asset allocation strategy for our stock, for our portfolio. Then finally we monitor and review our policy from time to time in order to ensure that we have not gone off track. Thank you.